Hey guys, you're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Okemuti Fole, and today's video I want to show you how to set up a YouTube channel all by yourself from your laptop. Alright, so let's get started. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're my returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for sticking with me. I love you so much. Alright, so now let's get to the main purpose of today. So YouTube is one of the go-to for anyone who wants to learn anything online. So that's why most times whenever you're trying to get answers to certain problems, people just come to YouTube and search for it and they get their solution. So if you have a solution that the world is looking for, you should have a YouTube channel where you share this value on. Okay, and with time you can get monetized when you meet up with the requirement. So now let's not talk about the monetization area. Let me just show you how to set up your own account. Now first of all, you need to understand that once you have a Google account, you already have access to YouTube. Okay, so there's no special deal about it. Once you have a Google account, you have access to YouTube channel. So the only difference is that you need to create a branded YouTube channel. That's one thing that most people don't know. So people just use, because they have a Google account, they just use the channel that is already allocated to them by Google. But if you need a branded YouTube channel where you can change the picture of your profile, you can add other things, you can check if you are due for monetization, you can check your progress and access to other stuff, then you need a branded YouTube channel. So that's what I'm going to show you how to create right now. So now let's get started. So this is YouTube. Just go to youtube.com, and the Google account with which you are signed in, all you need to do is to just click here, click this button you are seeing at the top here. So once you click, you're going to see option to switch account. So just click on this switch account, and then you see view all channels. So click on view all channels, and from there you will see the button for you to create a channel. So what you are going to do now is to create a channel. So I click on create channel. Okay, so I'm going to add the name of the channel, which says Christ Total Ministry. So I'm actually creating this channel for a client. At the end of the whole stuff, we can still rechange the name if we want to. All right, so this is the name of the channel for now. So I'm going to say I understand and click on create. Okay, so can you see now? So the channel has been created. All right, so now the next thing I want to do is to go to customize channel. Okay, so click on continue. So the next thing you want to do is you need to look for your video trailer. So there's what they call trailer for people who have not subscribed to your channel. They'll keep seeing this video over and over, and then for those who are your returning subscribers, you have a certain video for them. Now for this channel, they don't account is because you want to be able to upload videos more than 15 minutes. You want to be able to add custom emails. You want to be able to do a lot of stuff on your YouTube channel. So once your YouTube channel is not verified, you cannot do these things I've just mentioned now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the phone number that is linked to this account. Okay, so let's get the code. So I'm waiting for them now to send the code. Okay guys, so he just sent me the code and I'm going to input it into wait to verify 871575. So let's submit and see if our account will be verified. So you can see now the phone number has been verified, so the account is already verified. So in subsequent videos I'm going to show you other stuff that you need to do to make your account worth it. All right, so see you guys.